Welcome to the Harvard Business School online conference and the Global Chapters booth. It is an honor to be a guest lecturer at the Harvard Business School online conference, and thank you for joining us today. Today, I will share insights about disruptive entrepreneurial strategies through my PDC Formula. After this, I will speak about the Harvard Business School online global chapter as a chapter lead. I'm a conversationalist and would like to ask you, please be as active in the chat as possible. And from time to time, I will ask you some questions to better get to know each other. In the meantime, while introducing myself, please type in the chat where you are from. And if you have taken a course at Harvard, please let us know which course. My name is Gwen Mdinaradze. I'm the founder and CEO of Speakers Alliance Canada, an international speaking and consulting company, and the Harvard Business School online global chapter lead. When I studied management at Harvard, which included general management, team management, change management, and psychological safety, I became passionate about disruptive and sustaining innovation. The very first research on disruptive and sustaining innovation was published in 1995 by Harvard professor Clayton Christensen. Professor Christensen was the first who has developed the theory of disruptive innovation, which has been called the most influential business idea of the early 21st century. After researching, studying, and reading about disruptive and sustaining innovation, I came up with the PDC Formula. Today, I will speak about disruptive entrepreneurial strategy through PDC Formula. The three core principles are plan, disrupt, communicate. P stands for plan, and here the core is to determine value proposition when starting a new company. D stands for disrupt. I will speak about disruption and disruptive business model for entrepreneurs. And finally, C stands for communication. In my formula, communication includes internal and external communications. And let me elaborate about internal communications core principles. I will speak about psychological safety in the workplace, and external communication includes the company's connection among the customers and the competitors.